Struggling with gray hair that just won't stay covered? Finding the right hair color can feel overwhelming with so many options on the market. Whether you're aiming for a natural look or a bold transformation, effective gray coverage is key. Today, we're diving into the top 5 hair color products specifically designed to tackle gray hair with ease. From trusted drugstore brands to salon-quality solutions, these products promise vibrant, long-lasting results. Let's explore the options to find your perfect match. Kicking off our list at number 1, L'Oréal Excellence Cream. The L'Oréal Excellence Cream is a household name when it comes to gray coverage. This permanent hair color boasts a triple protection system that nourishes, strengthens, and protects your hair during the coloring process. It's a go-to choice for those seeking a luxurious and reliable coloring experience. Key features: enriched with ceramide, pro-keratin, and collagen, this formula doesn't just color hair, it revitalizes it. The included pre-color serum ensures your hair is well prepped, while the rich, creamy formula ensures even coverage. With an array of shades, there's something for everyone. Benefits and usage: the Excellence Cream excels at covering stubborn grays while leaving your hair soft and shiny. To use, apply the pre-color serum on dry hair, mix the color cream and developer, and apply evenly. Leave it on for the specified time, rinse thoroughly, and use the conditioning treatment for a silky finish. Usability: this product is user-friendly, thanks to its non-drip formula and the provided applicator comb. It's ideal for both beginners and experienced home colorists. Durability: L'Oréal Excellence Cream offers long-lasting results that withstand multiple washes. The added conditioning treatment helps maintain color vibrancy and hair health over time. In the second spot, we have Garnier Nutrisse. Garnier Nutrisse has earned its spot as a trusted brand for at-home hair color. Known for its nourishing formula, this product is infused with avocado oil, making it a standout option for gray coverage with added moisture and shine. Key features: the Nutrisse formula contains fruit oils, including avocado, olive, and shea, to keep your hair hydrated and healthy during and after coloring. It offers 100% gray coverage with a creamy, easy-to-apply consistency. The after-color conditioner further enhances the shine and softness of your hair. Benefits and usage: perfect for those who want vibrant color without sacrificing hair health, Nutrisse delivers rich, natural-looking results. Simply mix the colorant and developer, apply the mixture to your hair, and leave it on for the recommended time. Rinse and condition for best results. Usability: its pleasant fruity scent makes the coloring process more enjoyable. The application kit includes gloves and an applicator bottle for mess-free usage. Durability: Garnier Nutrisse provides fade-resistant color that keeps your hair looking fresh and vibrant for weeks. Regular use of the conditioner extends the life of the color. Coming in at number 3 is the Schwarzkopf Keratin Color. For those seeking professional-grade gray coverage at home, Schwarzkopf Keratin Color is a top contender. Its keratin-enriched formula is designed to repair and protect hair, making it ideal for those with damaged or aging hair. Key features: the pre-color serum prepares your hair for optimal absorption, while the keratin-infused formula strengthens hair fibers during coloring. It offers 100% gray coverage and a rich selection of shades that suit various preferences. Benefits and usage: Schwarzkopf Keratin Color provides long-lasting, even coverage while improving hair texture. The application is straightforward. Use the pre-color serum, mix the color cream and developer, apply evenly, and rinse. The after-color conditioner seals the color and adds shine. Usability: its thick, non-drip formula ensures easy and mess-free application. The kit includes detailed instructions, making it beginner-friendly. Durability: this product stands out for its fade-resistant formula, ensuring vibrant color for up to 8 weeks. The keratin repair system also enhances hair strength and elasticity. Taking our 4th spot is Revlon ColorSilk. Revlon ColorSilk is a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality. Known for its ammonia-free formula, it provides gentle yet effective gray coverage with a natural finish. Key features: the formula includes Revlon's 3D color gel technology, which delivers multidimensional color and shine. Enriched with keratin and silk proteins, it leaves hair soft and manageable post-coloring. The ammonia-free composition is ideal for sensitive scalps. Benefits and usage: Revlon ColorSilk is a great choice for those who want salon-quality results at home. The application process involves mixing the colorant and developer, applying the mixture to your hair, and rinsing after the processing time. The included conditioner enhances shine and softness. Usability: its easy-to-use applicator and cream-based formula make the coloring process quick and hassle-free. The absence of ammonia ensures a more pleasant experience. Durability: Revlon ColorSilk offers impressive longevity, maintaining vibrant color and gray coverage for weeks. Regular conditioning can help prolong the results. And finally, at number 5, we have Madison Reed Radiant Hair Color. Madison Reed Radiant Hair Color has revolutionized the at-home hair coloring experience with its salon-quality ingredients and ammonia-free formula. It's perfect for those seeking high-performance gray coverage with minimal chemical exposure. Key features: infused with keratin, argan oil, and ginseng root extract, this product nourishes while it colors. It's free from harsh chemicals like ammonia, parabens, and phthalates, making it a healthier choice for your hair and scalp. Benefits and usage: Madison Reed delivers vibrant, natural-looking results that blend seamlessly with your natural hair color. To use, mix the color and developer, apply it evenly, and rinse after processing. The included barrier cream and cleansing wipe ensure a neat application. Usability: the comprehensive kit includes all the tools you need for a professional-grade coloring session at home. Its pleasant scent and gentle formula enhance the overall experience. Durability: Madison Reed Radiant Hair Color offers fade-resistant results that keep your hair looking fresh and vibrant for weeks. The nourishing ingredients also contribute to improved hair health over time. Choosing the right hair color for gray coverage can transform your look and boost your confidence. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option like Revlon ColorSilk or a luxurious choice like Madison Reed, each product we reviewed today offers something unique. With their advanced formulas and lasting results, these top 5 picks cater to a variety of needs and preferences. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert reviews. See you in the next video.